ECDL Advanced, Excel, Lesson 24, using GoTo with names. The GoTo command can not only be used to move quickly to a cell by typing its reference, but also to move to any named cell or range. So let's open the workbook VAT2, unless you've already got it open from the last lesson. Let's display the Home tab, and within the Editing group at the end here, select GoTo from the Find and Select drop-down. So find and select the drop-down GoTo. Another way of getting to the GoTo window would be to press Ctrl-G, or alternatively the function key F5. We'll notice that all the names on the sheet are listed. Click VAT rate and then click OK. The cell containing the VAT rate, that is cell B15, as we can see is now the active cell. Press F5, which will again take us back to the GoTo window. Select January from the list and then click OK. Now the range of cells that are named January are highlighted. OK, close this workbook without saving, and then we're going to open the workbook Accounts. Again, press F5, the GoTo key, and we'll find that there's a long list of all the named ranges in this sheet. Select Materials and then press OK. The range containing the materials figures will be highlighted. Use the horizontal scroll bar at the bottom to view the whole range if necessary. I've got everything on the screen, so it isn't necessary for me. Next, this time let's go for the drop-down by Find and Select, and here choose GoTo, choose Budget, and then click OK. Now the figures for the whole spreadsheet are highlighted. This named range is now not required. To delete it, we want to select Name Manager in the Defined Names group, so we need to make sure we're on the Formulas tab. Then in the Defined Names section, go for Name Manager. Click on Budget in the list, and then click the Delete button. Click OK to complete the removal of this range name. Close the Name Manager dialog box. Now let's press F5, and we want to check the list for the name Budget, and as we look down, what we will see, it no longer appears. The name Budget has been deleted. OK, click Cancel and then close the workbook without saving. OK, that brings us to the end of section 5, Names. What's left for you to do is the revision exercise, which is lesson 25. Please complete this, and if you're looking for sample answers, they can be found at the back of the CIA Excel training guide. OK, I look forward to seeing you next time when we're going to be moving on to section 6, when we'll start discussing templates. OK, I look forward to seeing you then.